Welcome back to Life and Fork. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to sous vide a Bavette steak. It's a brand new cut of meat, so I'm going to show you how I make it really tender for our members here at my country club. Thank you.
Suck me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking.
So here we have our Bavette steak. The first thing we're going to do is season it on both sides. I'm using my all-purpose seasoning and a little kosher salt. Yep. Next, we're going to put it in a vacuum sealed bag. Just like that. Set it aside. Next, for my marinade, it's a very simple one. I'm going to do a little shallots. Put those inside. 2 sprigs of rosemary goes inside, and about 2 ounces of olive oil. And that's it. Next, we're going to take our bag, put it in a vacuum seal machine. All right, now it's been 2 hours. We're going to take our steak out of the sous vide machine, put some paper towels down because we're going to dry it. So all you do is cut it, open it, take it out. Next, you're going to take a little olive oil and just put it on both sides. Now in your nice hot cast iron skillet or any kind of skillet you have at home, you're going to put the meat and sear on both sides. What you're looking for is about a 2-minute sear on both sides. Spend 2 minutes, you flip it. Another 2 minutes on this side. Now to finish it, we put it on the cutting board. We look for the grain. The grain is running this way, so we're going to go against the grain. We're going to let it rest for about a minute on the cutting board before you slice it. The reason you let it rest is so the meat doesn't bleed out. So now we slice it. Perfectly medium rare. For plating, a little pommes frites. The meat goes right there. A little red wine sauce. And there you go, perfectly sous vide Bavette steak. So there you go. Those are just the simple ways I do a sous vide steak here. This is the Bavette cut. It's a new cut of beef. It's almost the way it's cooked. It makes it so tender. It's almost like a skirt steak. You know, it's very nice and lean. It's not that costly, so it's really good for menus. So hopefully you guys like this, and I'll see how to sous vide. One of the questions I'm going to get, I'm sure, is that what happens if you don't have a vacuum seal bag? You can use a Ziploc bag with just a clip on the top, and it works the same way. For sous vide machines for home, I always suggest a Jolie. It's very good. I'll put the link on the bottom so you guys can see it on Amazon. That's a good sous vide machine for beginners at home. As always, a new video drops every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to hit thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you guys next time.